Welcome to the future of travel planning with our AI Trip Planner. Create a personalized itinerary within minutes and get ready for your next adventure. Easily turn your travel dreams into a reality. Enter your desired destinations, number of days, and activities, and our AI Trip Planner will create a detailed itinerary with a map. Plan your trip in any language and for any place in the world. Once your trip is planned, review your personalized itinerary. It's detailed and ready but also flexible. Create an editable online itinerary or export it to a PDF for convenience. Personalize your trip further. Add any place worldwide and see your plan on a map with walking, driving, and public transport directions. Add days, move and copy places, add comments, set times, and much more. Add any waypoint to your journey with our AI Trip Planner. Whether it's a private spot, public landmark, or even an air or sea location, customize your adventure like never before. Need more information? Use your personal AI assistant to ask anything about your destination. From local customs and weather to must-try dishes, get instant, reliable answers to all your questions. Explore ready-made itineraries that you can copy and customize to fit your plans, and discover new possibilities. Once your itinerary is perfect, easily export your entire travel plan to a PDF or share it with friends, family, or on social media using a private link. Discover the power of AI with our trip planner, save time, and make every trip remarkable. Visit our website to start crafting your perfect getaway today.